What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change time frame on IQ Option mobile app. We're currently on our IQ Option mobile app as you can see here, and in order to change your time frame, all you'll need to do is to look at the base of your screen. Now, you can see several options right here. You can see the I, then the bell, and then an icon there. You can see one S, then one M, one D, 3H, one H. Now, these represent different time frames. It's currently in 1 second. When you tap on the 1S, you can also see 1S, 5S, 10S, 15S, and these represent seconds. When we swipe to the left, it takes you to 1 minute. Then when you swipe further, you can see 15 minutes, then 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 day. So in order to change your time frame, all you need to do is to tap on the time as we showed you, which is the fourth icon on the base from the left, and then you can see the different time frames right here. You just need to swipe over to the appropriate time, let it go, and you'll be right there. Tap away from it, and there you have your 30-minute time frame. In order to change it, you can repeat this step and change it to your preferred time frame. So this is how to change time frame on IQ Option mobile app.